Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the postgraduate candidates. Here the lecturer vacancies are announced from one of the degree college guys which is affiliated to the state university. So here I think almost the maximum number of subjects are covered here. So here the post graduation is enough and the UGCNET or the PhD is not mandatory guys. So all the interested candidates please watch this video and then share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be really helpful to you as well as to your friends also guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and please give me one like for this video guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGCNET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so the college name is Jahnavi Group of Institutions guys. So under this institution huge number of colleges are there in the multiple branches. Okay, so first have a look on this college website guys. Okay, so that you will get one idea regarding this college. Okay, so Narayangoda, Secunderabad and Lingampalli and Board Uppal and Jahnavi Institute of Hotel Management, all these are in Hyderabad, I mean in the Telangana state guys. Okay, Narayangoda Degree College and Secunderabad Degree College and Nalakonda Degree and PG College and Boduppal PG College and ARK Training Solutions. Okay, so these are all the different branches and the different courses provided by this college guys. So, and you can access what are the different junior courses are providing by this group of institute and the different degree courses, hotel management, PG courses and the professional studies also. Okay, you may check down. So from this college, we got the recruitment notification guys, okay, that I will show you from one of the newspaper. Okay, so here the image is looking blur, but I will give you the complete details guys. Fine. So Jahnavi Degree PG College and Hotel Management. So Narayangoda Co-Ed Degree and PG College. Here the phone number 8333 964710. Next, Secunderabad Co-Ed Degree and PG College 8333 964710. That means the same contact number is mentioned. And Women's Narayangoda Degree and PG College and Boduppal Co-Ed Degree and the PG College. Fine. So the contact numbers are same. Okay. So please note down the contact number. Why? Because if you are having any queries, then you may call to that number to clear your queries, guys. And wanted principals and lecturers. So applications are invited from the aspirants for above mentioned colleges to the following post. So principal 2 posts are there, and while coming to the lecturers, okay, required for the degree as well as the PG college guys, and you may check down. Okay, I will read the subjects here: English, electronics, statistics, commerce, computer science, chemistry, political science, and public administration, nutrition, geography, microbiology, biochemistry, maths, management or MBA. Next, biotech, psychology, zoology, botany, mass communication and journalism. And next, nutrition, microbiology, biochemistry, chemistry, computers, statistics, biotechnology, and commerce, psychology, zoology, botany, genetics, food nutrition, and clinical nutrition. Okay, why? Because to get this notification, I searched a lot, guys. Why? Because few of my subscribers commented, sir, please find out the food nutrition related jobs and please find out the microbiology related jobs. Okay, so based upon that one, okay, keep on searching and searching in the Google. Finally, I got this one as well as a newspaper advertisement also, guys. Fine. And apart from this one, here the languages Telugu, Hindi, Arabic, French, and Sanskrit. So regarding these languages also, if you're having the post graduation only in these subjects, then you apply for this one, guys, no problem. Okay, the qualifications for PG and the degree college hotel management as per the Usmania University norms. And apart from this degree and PG college lecturers, here the requirement is also there from the hotel management, guys. Kavadigoda, the phone number is same 8333 964710, and the required post principal, front office, food and beverage services, housekeeping, hygiene and sanitation, and food production. Okay, so regarding this one also, the requirements are there. And coming to the languages, Telugu, Hindi, Arabic, French, and Sanskrit. Okay, so if you're having the post graduation in these departments or the subjects, then you try to apply for this one, guys. The next one is how to apply for this post. How to apply means interested candidates are required to submit their biodata along with photo and Xerox copies of documents within 7 days in person to given below address. Okay, they're telling that interested candidates are requested to submit their biodata along with photo and Xerox copies of documents within 7 days in person to the given below address. So here the address is given, I will show you, but they are telling that in person. But please once call to the contact person. So here the query's contact is Narsing Rao. Okay, Narsing Rao. The contact number is same 8339647110. Contact to that person. If you are interested and eligible in these subjects, then contact to the person and ask him whether we have to send through post or not. Okay, why? Because the candidates who are staying little bit long okay, to this location, so submitting in person will be a little bit difficult, right? So contact to the person whether we can send through post or not. Okay, so please once inquiry. And next, the candidates who wants to go in person, here the address is Akash Educational Society. Okay, Surya House opposite Veg Market, Narayangoda, Hyderabad. And apart from these vacancies, here the few more vacancies are also there. Also wanted telecallers, counselors 3, lab assistants 3, computer operators 3, administrative staff 3, and librarians 3. Okay, so these candidates, regarding these posts also, they are asking for the requirement, and you have to send within the 7 days, guys. So 7 days means actually we got this notification in the paper on 2nd July. So you may check down here, Friday 2nd July 2021. So within 7 days means 2 plus 7, 9. That means let's take the July 9th as the last date for application of this one. Okay, so these are the requirements, guys. Please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the job vacancies, guys. It will be really helpful. Okay, and please give me one like for this video. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Fine. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all, whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.